Yes, we're celebrating. It's been more than 10 years since DroneLife started, and we've been growing ever since. It's all about you, our readers. Thank you for being with us. We're proud to have earned your readership, and we won't stop working for you. 3DR, a 3DR quadcopter, C 2015, C image. DroneLife expands position as a leading source for global drone news, surpasses 12 million annual impressions. Long-running publication delivers worldwide coverage of commercial, defense, and public safety drone markets. DroneLife, a leading source for global drone news covering the commercial, defense, and public safety sectors, today announced continued audience growth across its digital platforms. As one of the longest running publications dedicated to the unmanned systems industry, DroneLife serves a worldwide professional readership seeking timely reporting and analysis on drone technology, regulation, and market development. Over the past year, DroneLife's channels have generated more than 12 million annual impressions, reflecting sustained engagement from readers across North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. The publication reaches decision makers in government, defense, public safety, enterprise operations, manufacturing, and regulatory agencies worldwide. Our audience growth reflects the increasing demand for reliable global drone news, said Harry McNabb, CEO of DroneLife. As international regulations evolve and supply chains shift, industry stakeholders need clear, fact based reporting that connects policy, technology, and market realities across regions. Global audience growth across platforms. Web, about 3.6 million non unique articles read in the past 12 months. Meta, over 8.2 million views and more than 82,000 interactions in the last year. YouTube, 748,000 views and 18,300 watch hours, an increase of more than 75% year over year. X, Twitter, 41,000 followers and over 100,000 impressions. The company's newsletter subscriber base exceeds 18,000 industry professionals worldwide. Subscribers include public safety leaders, defense contractors, enterprise operators, regulators, technology developers, and policymakers across multiple continents. Altogether, DroneLife's web, video, newsletter, and social media platforms generate more than 12 million impressions annually, underscoring the continued expansion of its global drone news audience. Comprehensive international coverage, FAA and global BVLOS rulemaking, European and Asia Pacific regulatory initiatives, S and allied drone manufacturing policies, defense contracts, and security programs worldwide, public safety drone as first responder DFR deployments, enterprise adoption in telecom, energy, and infrastructure markets. By maintaining a vendor neutral editorial approach and delivering regionally diverse reporting, DroneLife provides readers with insight into both local developments and broader global trends shaping the unmanned systems industry. Strategic industry partnerships. As its worldwide audience expands, DroneLife continues to offer structured partnership programs that connect drone technology innovators with a qualified international readership. Advertising and sponsored content opportunities are aligned with key verticals, including defense, public safety, telecom infrastructure, and enterprise drone operations. Our mission is to provide meaningful visibility for innovation while preserving editorial integrity, McNabb added. We support a global industry with a global platform. About DroneLife. DroneLife is a digital news publication dedicated to global drone news covering commercial, defense, public safety, and enterprise unmanned systems markets. The publication delivers daily reporting, expert interviews, regulatory updates, and market analysis for professionals worldwide.